What's up, YouTube? Today's demo day. We're getting the harness out of the car today, getting it prepped for the new Rebel wiring harness to go in. Today is basically time lapse. You're gonna see me run around like crazy, ripping a harness out of a car. Hope you enjoy. We're gonna try to get all of it out today. The video may take me a few days to actually get the harness out, but you're gonna see it today. Magic of video editing. Enjoy. Here we go. old those are. There you have it, guys. There is a complete harness with tar backboard from an air-cooled Beetle. But we get it all done in one single day. We're going to do a quick look around of the car, see what it looks like right now. I got it completely stripped. I'll show you what we're working with. Tar backboard just absolutely fell apart and in my hand, so they're going to have to get that replaced. So there's no wires here. Going around. Got everybody out from back here. Main loom comes up through there, comes out there, it splits, it goes this way for the engine harness, over to the battery, and then goes back down through here. Pull it all out through the channel. What's left for the battery? I'm gonna get some new battery terminals for it. A little bit of a rust issue, but you know, typical for these, right at the battery tray, nothing major. That wire goes to the starter solenoid. I'm gonna crawl under there and just pull it out. It's just one single wire to the solenoid. You know, nothing exciting about pulling that out, but there it is. Coming up front. Main harness goes up through here, comes up right here. You get all that pulled out, as you can see, and then goes up through that grommet right there at the top. These wires I've left for now. This is ignition switch and turn signal switch. I'm just going to leave those hanging for now until I go back in with the new. Dash switches. Hazard switch still has the wires in the back of it. And check out the front. There you go. Took the fuel tank out just to get to the master cylinder. Not necessary. You can see you can go through the wheel well if you want. I didn't feel like put this thing on jack stands just for the 2 connectors, so pop the fuel tank out. Got the fuel uncovered. The wire goes up through there. You could have seen in the time lapse where I pulled it out. Main harness comes up through here and comes up. Here's the bare bones. Wiper motor, just left those for reference. This here is the harness that goes down to the door switch to turn on the dome light. I left it for now, you know. That is the wiring that goes to the dome light. Left that for now as well. You know, I could use that wire to pull up and through the new wire just to make it a little easier. Since the harness is attached to the Rebel system, you could kind of use the old to pull the new through, but you know, it's already labeled, ready to go. Just kind of weasel it back there. There's no real difficult spots to get it through in this car. So it's not that big of a deal. That's basically it. We have one stripped Beetle ready to go. Next video is going to be installing the new harness, starting with the fuse panel and working our way through it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.